Picture yourself at 80 years old. What do you see? Are you stuck in a wheelchair or are you running around the park with your grandkids? Most people think that getting old and getting weak just go hand in hand, but science says otherwise. Today, I'm going to tell you about a medicine you can't buy at a pharmacy because it's already inside your own body. It's called muscle mass. People say muscle is medicine, and that's not just a catchy phrase. It's a reality that determines how independent and dignified your later years will be. Stick around until the end of this video, because today we're moving past the old talk about genetics and cholesterol to focus on what actually matters. Alright guys, let's face a bitter truth. After age 30, our bodies start losing 1 to 3% of our muscle mass every single year. In the medical world, this process is called sarcopenia. At first, you don't even notice it. But by the time you hit 70, if you haven't been careful, you could lose 40 to 50% of your body's muscle. And what happens then? Broken bones. When older adults fall and fracture a hip or injure their spine, the real culprit often isn't just weak bones. It's the loss of muscle that robs the body of its balance. Loss of independence, without muscle, doing basic things like getting out of a chair or walking means relying on others just to get by. But here's the good news. Whether you're 60 or 80, you can still rebuild your muscle today. Muscles aren't just for flexing or looking jacked. They make up the largest metabolic organ in our body. Their job isn't just to move us around. They actually control our entire body chemistry. 1. The sugar-absorbing sponge. Our muscles use glucose and ketones as fuel. When we eat, our muscles absorb 70% to 80% of the sugar created in our bodies. If you put on just about 4 to 5 pounds of extra muscle mass, your type 2 diabetes and blood pressure can practically manage themselves. Muscles act like a sponge, soaking up excess sugar right out of your bloodstream. 2. Brain health and myokines. When we work out our muscles, they release chemicals called myokines and BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of these chemicals as fertilizer for your brain. They sharpen your memory and keep your brain young. Long story short, strong legs mean a strong mind. So, how do we build these muscles? Exercise alone won't cut it. You need the right fuel. Protein intake? You need about 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, or 1.5 to 2 grams per kilo. So, if you weigh around 150 pounds, you're looking at roughly 100 to 140 grams of protein daily. Eggs, the ultimate superfood. According to science, eggs are one of the best protein sources on the planet, with a massive absorption rate in the body. One egg packs about 6 to 7 grams of protein. They contain all 9 essential amino acids. They're loaded with healthy fats, both saturated and monounsaturated, that are crucial for balancing hormones. They're rich in vitamins B, D, and K2. Pro tip: always cook your eggs on low heat using grass-fed butter, ghee, or coconut oil to lock in all that nutrition. Beyond eggs, focus on meat, nuts, and a low-carb diet. Stay away from sugar, refined flour, and processed baked goods. Those don't build muscle, they just pack on fat. A lot of people ask, hey, I'm getting up there in age, can I really still exercise? The answer is absolutely. Look at Dr. Bernstein. He's in his 90s, completely fit, and still lifting weights despite living with type 1 diabetes. So, what do you need to do? Weight training. Challenge your muscles 2 to 3 times a week. If you can't hit the gym, use water bottles, household items, or just your own body weight for squats and push-ups. Resistance training. Do wall sits or take the stairs. Your legs, quads, and glutes are the biggest muscles in your body, making them the most important to train. Avoid muscle-killing drugs. Statin drugs and some of the newer weight loss medications like Ozempic can deplete your muscle mass, so always be incredibly cautious and smart about using them. Sleep. Muscles don't grow when you're working out. They grow when you're sleeping. Getting a solid night's sleep, like a consistent 8-hour window, is absolutely vital for muscle repair and recovery. So, here's the bottom line, guys. Losing weight as you age should only mean losing fat, not muscle. Muscle mass is your ultimate health insurance policy. It's what's going to protect you from diseases, falls, and losing your independence. Now it's your turn. 1. Start adding eggs to your diet today. 2. Hit some lightweight training at least twice a week. 3. And most importantly, share this video with your friends and family who think life hits a standstill after 60. What did you guys think of today's video? Have you ever tried weight training? Share your experience in the comments below. If you want to see more science-backed videos like this, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Until next time, take care of your muscles so they can take care of you. Catch you later.